A young man built his house by chopping down trees, eager to claim a piece of the forest. Day after day, his axe swung until a clearing appeared. He was proud, standing in front of his new home, the air filled with the scent of fresh wood. One night, a storm came. With no trees left to break the wind, his house was blown apart. He stood in shock, surrounded by ruins. He realized then, the trees he'd cut weren't just resources, they were his shelter. It wasn't the storm that destroyed his home, but the absence of the forest he took for granted.
The Heart Toucher.